So search Google Earth Engine and go to this website and open code editor from over here. Then you will have a window just like this. So here I want to register a new project. This will route you toward your Google Cloud Console. Then here you have two options. So you want to register a non-commercial use. Then you need to fill this form. So your organization type is non-profit. You are a student. But if you are a organization, then you have to register a commercial account. Then over here, you can write that you are a student and read this. Okay, so I will go with no. So it is for scientific research, and in my research, yes, I will use Google Earth Engine, and my scope of study will be global. And yes, I do have published research work, but if you don't have a published research work, then you can go with no. Then next, and then next. Just select these options from over here and select your niche from over here. You want to work on climate or natural disaster or hydrology. You can select your own interest from over here. Just hit OK and then next and register. So enable this Earth Engine API from your Google Cloud Console. When it will be enabled, okay, so it will be enabled. Then you just need to go in your code editor and just refresh your this window. Here we go. Now you are ready for write a code in Google Earth Engine, and you can. Okay, so let's test this by writing print hello GEE, and when you will hit Control Enter, then in console you have this. So many thanks. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.